Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk Giordano Plastering. Today, how many of you guys have backed your car up into your own porch? Anyway, that's what the fella did here, so they called me to put it back together. Jay and I mixed some hot mud. I got about 5 minutes before this is set. Rapid set, guys. Buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. It sets in 5 to 10 minutes. What we did was we came over here and we prepped it. That means we wire brushed it, put a bonding agent on it. You could use either one. We caulked it and put a corner on there. This piece was just hanging on like a sock in a dryer, so we removed it. I'll show you how we put this back together, guys. Now, let's see. Ooh, that's getting stiff. Let me get it out your way. Okay, that's stiff. What I'm going to do first of all is start at the bottom, and I'm just going to use one of my trowels as a rod or a template. So we're going to take it right there and fill this up. And then once I get this side, I'm going to get the other side too. Same deal. Come on now. When it hit, the car hit it, it kind of cockeyed it a little bit, but nothing we can't handle. So we'll put it there. And then I just follow it up. Follow that corner right there. And again, the trowel that I'm using right here, it just acts as a rod or a derby. Gives me a straight finish. Now I got that side done. I'm going to switch to the other side. And, well, because this mud is getting stiff, I told Jay, mix it really stiff. So he makes it really stiff. All right. And now we're just going to put some on this side here and square it off. That is mighty stiff mud. But that's what we want. I want real stiff. Okay. Now that that's done, I got to rod this one more time. That means getting this corner as straight as possible. How long when you mix, say, rapid set, do you got to apply it? The way we mixed it, we got 5 minutes to apply it, and that's already setting. When it starts to set like that, if you don't hit it with water, it'll get crumbly. So we're going to hit it with water. Now, hitting it with water just brings it back to life and makes it cure a lot stronger. Rapid set is one of the strongest stuccos there are. And what kind of finish is this, guys? It's a dash, about a 70-year-old dash. Looking at it, can I match it with this rapid set because it has heavier sand than this? Yes. So what we want to do is a lot of water, guys. A lot of water on here. And this wouldn't adhere had I not put some bonding agent on it. So the bonding agent we use is Weldcrete, or if you guys, I can't find Weldcrete, get Quickcrete. Same stuff. All right. And that's sold at Home Depot also, guys. So now that this is how crumbly that is because it's dry. I'm going to take this sponge float and bring it back to life. And this actually makes it cure a lot harder. That's all there is to this, guys. Boom. And you guys hit something like this, don't panic because it's actually a quick fix. You will, as you drive your car enough, find that, hey, sometimes shit happens. I taught my daughter Madeline how to drive at the old Army base in Alameda, and she said, well, Dad, I want to learn on a stick. I said, let's take my raggedy truck. And one of the things I did is I said, now take your foot off of the clutch and the brake and go real slow. And when you guys know when you do that, it goes, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And she panicked. I said, don't worry, you're just trying to show you how to drive. So when you're driving a stick, you don't have to worry about too many things, but that's what happens when you're learning to drive, guys. Now, No doubt these guys know how to drive and been driving for 100 years or a long time, but this happens, guys. Have I done it? Sure I have. Anyway, that's it right there, guys. It's a simple thing. Don't forget your bonding agent, because if you go over this right here, it's got to adhere. And the further you go over, the better it looks. If it looks too sandy, wipe some of it off. If it's not sandy enough, put extra on. Anyhow, guys, that's it. That's a quick fix. My name is Kirk. Jason's on the camera. We thank you guys for watching, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one.
All right, folks, as always, we want to thank you all for watching. We really appreciate your questions and comments. Please let us know if there's anything you'd like to learn about. And as always, from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one. Okay, well, we're never going to get better than that, so...